Hey guys. So if you saw my makeup collection video yesterday, you probably thought to yourself, why in the world does she have so many nude lip liners? Well, there's a good reason for that, because nude lip liners are one of the most essential and versatile things that you can have in your makeup collection. I am somebody who is crazy about eyeshadows, and because I normally put so much emphasis on my eyeshadow look, sometimes you will get into a situation where you have no idea what to do for a lip. So that's where nude lip liners come in, because you can do a nude lip and it will go with pretty much anything. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to give you a demonstration today of why that is. But they are also really versatile. For example, I just wanted to do like a 90s style look today with my makeup, so I did like a series of browns and um, very neutral on my eyes for a change, because I do love normally doing a very colorful look. But what I did was I used on my lips, I lined and filled in my lips with a lip liner. So this is the first way that you can use a nude lip liner. If you have a nude lip liner that you like, you don't really even have to have any nude lipsticks. You can just moisturize your lips with a lip balm, do the rest of your makeup, and then line and fill in your lips with a lip pencil, and you're done. Now, the key is to find a lip pencil that works right for you. Different nude lip liners are going to look different on different people depending on what color their lipsticks, what color their lipstick, no, what color their lips are. In my case, I find that MAC Boldly Bare is a really good shade from my particular lip color, but like I said, it's going to be different depending on the person. So you can Google that and you can figure out. There are articles online that will actually give you some examples. Most of the time, they do give you high-end recommendations, though. But then from there, if you wanted to buy something that was more affordable, you could just Google dupes for those products. And I know somebody's going to be like, well, give us a dupe for the MAC Boldly Bare. I don't know. I don't know. I never even looked that up, because once I had this, I didn't feel as if I needed a dupe for it. But yeah, there's something about this color that just works for me, and my skin category would be considered light. Um, I know right off the top of my head, in the fair category, they had recommended MAC Oak, which is a very brown lip liner. And I find that kind of interesting. But because my skin is not really fair, I can't really say. But yeah, they had the article that I was reading this morning. If I can find it again, I'll post a link to it in the description box so you can see it. They gave recommendations for fair, light, medium, tan, and dark. I thought it was nice that they put tan in there, because you don't often see that when you're reading articles about recommendations based on people's skin colors. So, anyways, yeah, I'll try to remember to post that link. So, anyways, yeah, this is the first way that you can wear a nude lip. Very basic, but um, goes with so many things, especially when you don't know what to put it with. So, you know how I have been going on and on about that Revlon Shine, Gloss Shine, no, Glass Shine, Revlon Glass Shine lipstick in Sparkling Quartz. This is a new line of lipsticks from Revlon. I already did a whole video about it, but this one is just clear. Watch what happens when I put this over this nude lip liner. So now it's a tiny bit muted, but when the light catches it, it's going to give you a really nice shine. You could do the same thing with a clear lip gloss, you know, whatever you have in your collection. But I really like the combination of a nude lip liner with a shiny type product like this. Okay, so I've removed that, and what I did was I took my lip liner and I just lined my lips. This isn't a good look, so don't do this. But I just wanted to show you something. This is the Kaleidos Lip Tonic in the shade Immersion. And this color is like a rose. So it's like a pinky rose color. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, that's not going to go with that lip liner. Watch. So all I did was line my lips, didn't fill them in. So I'm just using the doe foot applicator to blend the liquid lipstick into the liner. And if, you know, once you inspect your lips, it looks like I might need to bring it down a little bit more on the bottom. So you want to bring it right up to that edge, but don't go over. So this is what a rose liquid lipstick looks like with just a nude liner lining your lips. So it is going to alter the color a little bit because the liner that was on the edge of my lips blends with the lipstick. So you still get that definition, but you're going to get a slightly different shade because you can see that in the tube this is quite a bit more pink. Okay, so I removed all of that lip combination and now I have lined my lips again with the MAC Boldly Bare. And this time we're going to take Maybelline Color Sensational lipstick in number 373, Mauve for Me. And this, I would describe this as a warm mauve. So I've already lined my lips with the MAC Boldly Bare. And just fill them in with this lipstick. So this is another different type of nude lip that you can do. I know this is a mauve, but it's still in that nude family. Now, if you wanted to bring it a little bit more back into the nude side of things and have it be not so mauve, you can put a nude lip gloss. I'm having trouble talking today for some reason. A nude lip gloss on top of that mauve lipstick. This is ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip. I love Sarahii and ColourPop. And the shade name is 951. So I'm just going to put that right over the lipstick. And again, need to bring it down a little bit. So blend it into that lipstick. Now we've brought it back to more of a nude. And this has got a satin finish to it, so it's not going to be like those crazy dry mattes. I feel like mattes are starting to go out of style and people are starting to appreciate more of glossy, shiny, or at the very least satin finish lip product. But lip liners, yeah, they sort of went out of style for a while. A lot of people weren't buying them, weren't using them, but they can really enhance any lip look that you do and just give it that nice definition or that nice base to build upon. Or like I said, you could just wear it by itself. You don't have to put anything over it. But I've got, if you count my lip balm, lip balm, lip liner, lipstick, lip gloss, I've got 4 layers on here. But it doesn't look like it, right? It doesn't look thick and goopy, and you just have to go in with a light hand if you want everything to blend nicely. So if I haven't convinced you at this point that you need a nude lip liner, then I never will. So I'm going to let you go. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.